Do you feel in charge? Why are you here? What are you expecting to see? Oh yes. Package. The package from John Mayo. What could be in this box? And you feel it gives you some type of power over me? Lots of tape. He raps like a younger man. Nothing held back. Darkness. You think black is your ally? I was born in it. Molded by it. Guess the only thing left to do is to get it open. What's in the box? What's in the box? Oh, yes. Let's find out what's inside. Hopefully it's nothing explosive. Ah, yes! The head of the bat. It'll be a welcome addition to my collection. Held together by straps and magnets. Excellent work, John Mayo. I have a feeling a lot of people are going to be contacting you. I'm with me. Excellent.
So here it is. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks again to John Mayo. I think this is a wonderful cowl. It's my first 3D cowl. It's going to be an excellent addition to the rest of my Batman cowls. And I already have an idea for a costume that I'm going to make to go with this cowl. So tune in for that. And like I said, excellent craftsmanship, beautiful cowl, and I think a lot of people are going to be looking for John and his work. Thanks for tuning in.